Alright, I'm going to show you how I set a bead with starting fluid. I've got the homemade machines to change my tires, but this is how I seat the bead. I don't have a big tank to dump, so this works really easily. You're going to see me. I put a WD-40 straw on top of the starting fluid can. I'm going to insert it in the valve stem, give it 3 to 4 seconds worth of ether, and then you're going to see me spray a circle of ether around there. The reason for the ether around the edge is just to provide flame to ignite the ether inside the tire. The ether inside the tire is what actually seats the tire. So that's all I've watched people try to light them put the ether on the outside and do this. The way you want to do it is put the ether on the inside. Never reach down with your lighter. No. Light a little piece of paper towel and throw it in there. The last thing you're going to see me do once all this is on fire, I'm going to kick that tire with my back to it. And by kicking that tire, that allows the ether inside the tire to get to the flame that's burning around the edge of the rim. And that will seat the tire. This is a load range D. That's a very strong, stiff, sidewalled tire. So it does take a little more oomph, perhaps, to get this one to seat. But as you'll see, there's no danger in it. Just don't use too much ether and have a little common sense. Here we go. And there you are, it's seated. No big poof, no big deal. Not dangerous at all. Works every time. I've done it for years now this way. Took me a while to come up with this particular method, but there you go. It's just easy, fast, and safe. And if I can do that with a load range D tire, that smoke you see is just that piece of paper towel down there burning, but your average car tire, like my little half-ton pickup tires and stuff, they seat easy. This one's seated easy, just like that. 3 to 4 seconds, blast down the valve stem, little burst around, set her on fire, and touch it off. And the key is the stomp. Give it that stomp, and she'll pop just like that one did. Signing off.